Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of your LG Tone FP9. So to do this we have to input both earbuds inside this charging case and take a look. When I perform this hard reset, this connection will disappear. So we have to click and hold one of this touch panel. I'm gonna do this with the left one. So click and hold and take a look for this indicator. We have to hold it until this indicator blinks a few times red. So be patient and wait. Just like that. Right now we can simply release that button. And as you can see right now, we are not connected anymore. So as you can see, that was very simple. That's all for the video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.